Am I in there?
Yeah.
Hi, this is Pat McKenna, Uncle Pat, and this is my International 560 tractor. And what we're doing today is we're making some doodles. Doodles are, we take these pads of 8 bales and we put them in a stack like this one over here. And then when a semi comes, we can just stick them on there real quick. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a ride on this tractor while we go out and pick up a pad. These are our controls, and here's our steering wheel, and here is the key, and here's the starter button. Hopefully it'll start. There it goes. I messed up just a little bit. Just leave it on there. I had a little trouble trying to do that with one hand. Need 2 arms to drive a tractor. You saw those little black bugs out there. There's quite a few insects out here. I don't know what black things are, but they hate the sun, and they were underneath that pad and looking for shade. Now I think we'll go and ride on the swather for a little bit.